So we got the 2019 S7 back in the shop, Quattro. It's fancy now. It's got wheels, custom everything on it. And then he brought, let me show you guys what he brought and we installed. So still got the cats there. Then we did that resonator delete earlier in the year. And we did a muffler delete earlier in the year. Then he brought it back and put a new diffuser on it. And we had to adjust it a little bit more, as you guys can see there and there. And put him some fancy tips. He brought his own bolt-on tips. It was a lot of work to get them to fit. A lot of custom bends and stuff. But we got them to fit. They look really nice and clean on it compared to, I don't know where the other tips were. And there's that resonator we took off right there too. So we did a mid resonator delete on it today too. And those tips. Came out clean. Plug it from the side. Just fits it really nicely. You guys can see right there. I like it. All right, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it.
2017 Audi S7 4.0 liter twin turbocharged V8 Quattro. Got stock converters there. Stock converters way deep up there. Then runs down into a stock mid resonator. Duals back out. And what we did is a rear muffler delete right there and right there. Tucked away his valves. Won't throw any codes or anything. But the computer will still think they are doing their job when they're not doing anything. With some stainless steel exhaust tips. Quads. Right there. That's sexy. Look at that. Here's the stock mufflers that we removed. One of the tips missing. There it is. All right, we'll let you guys hear in a second. Like always, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey guys, Audi S7, fully straight pipe with new diffuser and tips. It should barble now too. Give it gas. Give it gas. That sounds clean. Here's sound decibels. So it's not crazy loud still. It's clean. Again. Right at 89. One more. Go ahead and back it out. You guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our beautiful shop. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Right before Due West Avenue. Yeah, off of Dickerson Pike. Fat car. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
All right, 2017 Audi S7 4.0 liter V8 twin turbo. Oh yeah. Sounds good. Oh wow. I love that. Sounds like a breathing, like a dragon's breath. Wow. Your sound decibels? Oh, 94. It just has a really nice tone to it. It's not crazy loud, but it just sounds really nice. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust right here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you have any questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. Always happy to help. If you guys want to come in from out of state, we'll be happy to take care of you too. Get a lot of people. Today we got some people from Michigan, from Louisiana, coming all the way up to us just to get some exhaust done. We always appreciate them and appreciate you guys. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. '17 Audi S7 Quattro, 4.0 liter twin turbo V8. Sexy all black with a muffler delete and stainless steel tips. Oh yeah, he's setting it up. Oh yeah, that was sexy. Enjoy, guys. Only at exhaust addicts.
Hey guys, check it out. 2015 Audi A3 Quattro. We just did a high flow cat and it's already got a muffler delete. He's gonna come back for tips later on. So I told him I'm gonna put him a video on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Go ahead. Again. That sounds clean. Here we go. Let's see what this thing can do. You're good to go, bro. Enjoy it. He's one of our big fans, so we appreciate him coming down. Super cool. Audi A3 Quattro high flow cats. 2.0 turbo. Oh, that was clean. I like it. What do you guys think of the little marbles at the end? I like that. Well, that exhaust addicts, guys.